Hello, let's understand how to resolve the Flipkart connector issue due to two-factor authentication. As you can see, in this account, Flipkart's connector is broken and it is asking to reconfigure the location ID. You may click on Reconfigure and click on Connect. A pop-up will appear asking for the seller panel credentials. You may mention the credentials click on Sign In and you will see that Unicommerce is now asking for the permission to access seller data from the panel. You will click on Allow and the connectors will be fixed. Thank you.